Hello everyone, it's your headmaster here again, and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at a common problem mobile users face, causes of that problem, a simple solution to that problem, and situations we can apply this solution. So without wasting much time, let's get to today's video. First of all, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. And now to the problem. No signal or no network coverage is a problem we'll be covering in this video. This can be frustrating sometimes because it prevents us from transacting our usual businesses, submitting assignments, reports, etc. Here are some known causes. Before we look at the solution, let's note some facts. I read an interesting article I'd like to share with you guys. It's from justasktells.com. I'll leave a link to that article in the description below. In that article, the meaning of a generation was explained. What I mean is the G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. This article explained it as I can read from the article. So it says, every leap in network performance or capability is called a new generation. For example, 3G is the third generation after 1G and 2G. This same article explains the difference between these generations, and it reads, the difference between these generations is simply a network that improves upon the previous internet experience, and not that 4G is twice as good as 3G. So simply put, 3G is an improvement upon 2G, and that doesn't mean that 3G is twice as good as 2G. Also, we can say that 4G is an improvement upon 3G networks, but it doesn't also mean that 4G is twice as good as 3G. And the same can be said when it comes to 5G also. Now let's note the final fact in this article. This will enable us solve the no signal or no network coverage problem. So it reads, with any mobile phone network, signal comes from the frequencies used. In general, low frequencies are most reliable and capable of penetrating obstructions like buildings, which is why 3G will often work in more places than 4G. So with this, we can also say that 2G will work in more places than 3G, just as 3G will work in more places than 4G, and also 4G will work in more places than 5G. So let's see how we can solve the no signal or no network coverage problem. To do this, we need to change the network type we are using. So if you're on a 4G network and you are faced with no signal or no network coverage problem, you change to a lower frequency, be it either 2G or 3G. And if you're on a 3G network and you're faced with a similar problem, you do same. So let's see how we can do that. So we select network and internet, select SIM cards, choose mobile network. Since you're on Vodafone, we select preferred network type. So it gives us three options, either to put it on automatic, to put it on 2G, or to put it on 3G. So whenever I'm faced with such a problem, I have to come here and change to a lower frequency to be able to enjoy the mobile network wherever I am. I'd like to end today's video with the situations we can apply these settings to. 1. When natural factors set in, and 2. When we move to remote areas. This is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Kindly subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.